RV travel is supposed to be synonymous with freedom and comfort, but power issues often become a stumbling block on the journey. From Solution 1.0 to Solution 5.0, each upgrade is a new answer. S1.0, it lasts up to 10 years, 1 hour fast charge, half as heavy but holds twice the power. S2.0, built for deep freeze, charging protection below freezing, powers high-demand inverters. S3.0, smart Bluetooth control, your battery eye in your phone with remote preheat. S4.0, high energy density, tiny size, massive power, same space, double the juice. S5.0, the global synergy solution, smart, interconnected systems, controlling global power on one screen. From S1.0 to S5.0, to make RV power as reliable as your breath. No anxiety, no compromise. You focus only on the journey.